Allah'ım sen dur yarabbim sen dur. Allah'ım sen dur. Allah'ım sen dur yarabbim sen dur.
Hangi cam? Konteynerden çekiliyor.
Ay bizim ev yedi. Ay Ahmet ev yediyor.
The information in the video shows an incident in Kahramanmaraş, Turkey. 34 people were injured as a result of a tornado that hit the region of Pazarcık in Kahramanmaraş. The tornado occurred in the district center where hell had been raging since noon.
Çatılar uçuyor. Sprinter'ı kurtaralım. Allah. Allah. Allah.
The roofs of some houses were damaged by tornado in the area of Mimisos Dal. Some vehicles in the area were seen to have been flipped over by the tornado.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep abreast of the most important changes on the planet.